Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Habashim Kiai ke Jingjulor Put jong Jala Assam lingba ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Shaupur Assam jong West Giant Hills District jong Jala Meghalaya. Deputy Commissioner ke District Iki Singh ulah hiar jurib daladi haka arpui teri ulbear arja afsan syakithan khapu jong Shnong Mukroh haba ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kala Shna yaki Surok bat yak khper slasha. Ya Deputy Commissioner lasenran lang da Additional Deputy Commissioner ke Kong B Bla Additional Superintendent of Police Ishan Gupta bat Assistant Commissioner ba GH Pasak wahe Shnong jong Mukroh ba ket lang maskut MLA Barim ba Henry Lamin nalor kiwi lastang ke jingli jurep hagi than lapia bat salang jong kasnong Mukroh haba ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lingba kontraktor jongka kala Jingjulor ki Pynthor jong laingut ke nong kata ka kong thal lamin kong bial nartiang bat ka kong kubiang dekhar nakabenta Shna ya ke Surok mabenta ke jakatung slasha kini kita jaka ke bala danlang ha ke jingli jurep kila ut lanam hau Deputy Commissioner halo ke jingli dusman jong Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council hakini ke jingli jurep syakani ke thain dai I bakla dan ke jing Jingjulor dusman ke barat ba yaki luum ba ke jing pom bathar yaki dieng ke siet bar ke jing thang pathar yaki dieng hadin kani ginong alam jong Shnong Mukroh kala alam yu Iki Singh syaka Shnong mutha siang kwai ke badan khaput jong Shnong Mukroh bar ke Block 1 di West Karbi Anglong District Assam. Ginong alam jong Shnong Mukroh kala penkan ma yu Iki Singh halo ke jing dawa jong ki penbuno ya ke border outpost jong ki pulit Meghalaya hamutha siang kwai na menta ka bhagamiat jong ki nong Shnong Nakaliang jong Iki Singh ulah keluar on sayakran bar Deputy Commissioner jong West Karbi Anglong District bagi dewan pensengian Mardor yaki jingtei be an hakithan khaput jong ke Mukroh.
Kani dilek senam kita kani. Kau di orang ne biasa kita dilek kenang di sini.
Shna cuma kerpa lagi.
Ada kerpa.
Di kerpa. Kenang ida semua yuki. Sar.
Yang hang ini.
They have requested them to
make that side. Normally the water course
Lek kenang bahagi ini. Baru kerpa di dalam lagi.
She has been gone point also.
hang nak kebok di bor ini.
Ini kita ini. Pam kata halor ini nang tan ini.
Okay.
Kami kita kerang semua.
Ini try di kelam dia.
Request them to meet because she request them to meet on that side and then from the side.
Take care of it.
ไปกำลังจันอุ้มชีวิตกูไม่ได้กูจะชีวิตสัตว์
Ida tang khap I te wadini khap I te mana klami kita kerang ida sulai dah.
Welcome to the mana khang ini rok suloi rak betul.
Sulai dah. Ikerang baik kalau tu.
Tell to him on your video yang ini. They don't understand.
Hope so.
That's fine. I mean, this is the
Mana
one
kami
they
tahu.
are
Suloi suloi rak.
There's no point. I just saw. Now what solution? That's it.
No.
For your time that
Kai semua rin video bahai ka tak tahu.
Okay.
Tahu buru. Oh, kita khap ini lah lagi. Ini apa?
Goes from there.
That side.
From that side.
Not
If that can be the same system for the water to go, then that will be much better rather than making it over here and the water stagnant. Just flow the natural flow of the water. That is the only requirement.
yes. 100%.
It can be done.
It can be done, no? Okay.
It's very basic. It's doable.
Mengusahakan betul yang tu, terkongkan cepai kadang tenor mah.
Ah, kadang.
Kadang
Betul kan orang tu.
drainage that's
Usually the water runs through that one, no? After the construction of
It
the
has stopped.
and then the old road was that one, so this was a new construction.
And then they left that old one, and then down there also they have just dug that home pipe and so on, and then just left like that. And then they did not make use of that home pipe also, and then there also the blockage of water was. And then the owner of the field has to dig it by themselves.
Now my request to you is kindly let them not interfere the laborers who will make that, because we want to safeguard it, to protect my laborers.
Let's opt this on Monday out, right?
Okay.
And we'll try to
Let
sort it
us
out.
see the second one.
We'll second one.
I have. Now we'll have an indoor discussion, whatever you have seen.
We'll do one thing. We'll be having discussions over the phone, right? Whatever has been we already done and discussed, right? Then we'll be taking leave now.
Yeah.
We'll be straight in right away. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Professor. ठीक है मैडम.
So, all the best.
Thank you.
So we will do something, whatever we can do from our side.
Yes.
What we can do from our side.
We from outside, we just hoping on the